I say a very happy new year. Oh!
This winter I've actually had to try and find myself some alternative employment again, which means I'm sorry I can't be with you here tonight to help celebrate this wake, but at least the best I can do is wish you all well. Hope you find some good fortune in the future.
Hello, it's my birthday today. It's also Simon Wiesenthal's. I'm sure he would love to join me in wishing everyone at TVS a very, very happy new year. And God bless and thanks for everything. Thanks for a great opportunity. Cheers. Hey, this is real, you know. This is real. Good old TVS. Classy act.
Thanks for over 100 TV weeklies with TVS. It's been great, and I've worked with some lovely people. So to all of them and all of you, have a happy new year.
Well, it looks as though I haven't entirely lost the magic touch, even without the tuff. Cheers to TVS. 3 wonderful seasons. I thoroughly enjoyed it, and it's awfully sad that you're finishing up. God bless.
Ladies and gentlemen, there are now just a few seconds remaining to us before TVS hands over the right to broadcast to the south and southeast of England. We would like to take the opportunity on behalf of the chairman and board of TVS to say a few very sincere words of thanks.
Yes, and first of all, a very big thank you to all the shareholders who put their money behind the company.
To all the advertisers who made the whole thing possible.
To all the suppliers who kept the company going.
To all the people who've appeared on camera to inform and indeed entertain us.
And to all the extremely talented and creative people all here tonight who've laboured behind the scenes on all the programmes.
And above all, to you at home. Thank you for all your interest, your support and your time.
You've been a wonderful audience, and Meridian are very lucky to have you. So on behalf of everyone here at TVS, goodbye, have a great new year, and thanks for watching. Cheers!
Happy New Year! Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year as you join Meridian live from Winchester Cathedral. Hello, I'm Debbie Thrower and welcome to 1993 and a double celebration. This magnificent cathedral was completed 900 years ago this year, and your new ITV station, Meridian, has been on air now for a little over 9 seconds. For centuries, this cathedral at Winchester has been a symbol of continuity, and tonight we recognise the value of preserving all that's best. You'll see plenty that's familiar on Meridian and some exciting new ideas. Programmes that give you a chance to air your views, that reflect the rich variety of different people's lives in the south, the southeast and, for that matter, the Channel Islands. You'll find ITV is set to become more accessible to people. What's more, the region will be split in 3. So for the first time, viewers in the Thames Valley and North Hampshire will have their own news service. And in each of those areas, based in Newbury, Maidstone and Southampton, you'll find familiar as well as fresh faces presenting the news. For example, I'll be joining Fred Dinage to present the Southampton-based programme. We'll be hearing from 2 of those new faces in a moment with more of Meridian's plans. But first, what about your hopes and fears?
New Year, peace and goodwill to all man, no matter what colour, creed or race they are.
What I want for New Year is an umbrella.
A greener world.
Just peace and happiness. That's all I want.
New girlfriend?
No fires.
Good health.
Lion.
A house Sophie.
I would like peace in Yugoslavia. And I would like Disneyland in England.
Oops.
I just want to be happy, that's all.
And a house.
Oh yeah, and I'm buying a house, so I want that as well.
I've got a baby on the way, so I just hope everything goes well.
Oops.
That my kids grow up into decent citizens.
Oh, I know.
God bless.
Good. I'd like people to be less homeless. I worry about them.